In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the GitHub Copilot app so that you can use it to interact with your Azure subscription. In later videos, I'm going to show you how to use this GitHub Copilot app to assess your Azure subscription for best practices, how to get it to deploy virtual machines or Kubernetes clusters or any Azure resource. But we've got to start at the beginning, which is making sure that you've got the GitHub Copilot app set up and that you've got it connected to Azure. Now, in this video, I'm just using the free tier of the GitHub Copilot app. I'm showing you here that I'm logged into my IT Ops Talk GitHub account and that I'm also logged into my Azure account. Step one is to make sure that winget is up to date. I do that by running a terminal and running winget upgrade all. Doing this updates the app installer and also some Microsoft Edge stuff. I close out the terminal and then I open it again. Now that winget's up to date, I can do a winget search GitHub Copilot app and I can verify that I've got the name right, and then I can do a winget install GitHub Copilot app. The GitHub Copilot app installs. I can now exit the command line. I open the GitHub Copilot app from the desktop and it asks me to sign into GitHub. I've already done that in my browser and the browser's open. So what it's going to do is it's going to automatically open the correct page, and I've got the code in my clipboard. I paste it in to this page and now the GitHub Copilot app is authorized against my GitHub account. That means the app's set up and I've now got access to GitHub Copilot within the app. So the first thing I do is I ask it, I want to interact with my Azure subscription, modern infrastructure, using the Azure CLI in GitHub Copilot app. Can you set this up for me? I want to authenticate to Azure using a code. So the first thing it does is it goes and checks whether or not Azure CLI is installed, and it's not. And GitHub Copilot app will go and automatically install the Azure CLI for me. So it uses winget to install the Azure CLI. Next, it uses Azure CLI to try and log in. It gives me the URL and the code to paste in to authenticate. Because I'm already logged into my Azure account, this is a simple process. Now that it's all logged in, I'll just do a simple test to check that GitHub Copilot app can interact with my subscription. This account is connected to 2 subscriptions. I'm interested in modern infrastructure. And now I ask it to give me a report on the virtual machines in this subscription. I can even reformat this report so that it's got a simple table with VM name, size, and running state. Now that I've got it all set up, in later videos, I'm going to start to do more complex operations, and you'll see the benefits of using a more chat style interface to manage resources in an Azure subscription. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.